Development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial and public radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Weather roundup.
Oh my god! First tornado watch! It just right at 1 p.m. I forgot to set up the voicemail. Holy Christ, tornado watch number 9. Oh my god, tornado watch. Tornado watch number 10. Oh, frick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Eustis, Tavares, Mount Dora, and Groveland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms will impact northeastern Lake and Volusia counties through 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Barbadale to near Dalian Springs to near Paisley. Movement was east at 60 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. The attack, gusty winds could knock down students and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday.
6 a.m.
Watch includes the following counties in Florida: Brevard, Lake,
They just expanded the freaking
Seminole,
watch.
and Volusia, and coastal waters from the Volusia-Brevard County.
I cannot believe it. They just expanded the freaking watch.
A tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
They expanded the freaking
And
TOA.
damaging winds in and close to
Oh
the watch
my.
area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements.
After a few
and
days
possible
of
warnings.
nearly stationary storm, now they're
Stay tuned to
doing
NOAA
fast
radio,
moving stuff.
Commercial and public radio and
Holy
television
moly.
outlets or internet
A
sources.
12-year-old kid can
for the latest
handle
severe
all
weather
of that situation. Oh my gosh. No
The
way.
latest tropical
Wow.
cyclone advisory at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The center of tropical storm Debbie was located near.
Here we have a latest advisory. What? What? Oh no!
Central Florida until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
That couldn't. That might be the doubleheader.
Located indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oak Hill, Playland Beach, Haulover Canal, Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, and Klondike Beach. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop.
How can they expand the freaking TOA and then after a few seconds they just issue an SVR? That is actually feeling like a doubleheader.
For your protection,
So that
move to an
counts as
interior
a-
room
that
on the
counts as a
lowest floor of
doubleheader.
the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Florida. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Florida.
Oh man, that could have been more.
Tornado watch for the following counties in Florida:
Holy moly!
Seminole and Volusia. Tornado watch.
That could have been like a. That is actually looked like a doubleheader, and this is no way that an actual EAS fan can never do such a thing. And they issued an SVR
8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The
for road safety's area.
Debbie was located near latitude 28.1 north, longitude 84.1 west. Debbie is moving toward the north near 12 miles per hour. A gradual decrease in forward speed with a turn toward the northeast and east is expected on Monday and Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Flagler County and northeastern Florida until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Palm Coast, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Remove the hill
Source:
section.
radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, Vanell and Beverly Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Doubleheader! Another one! Doubleheader! A doubleheader!
Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Palm Coast, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Yes, radar indicated.
Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.
Doubleheader!
Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Beverly Beach, Ormond by the Sea, Palm Coast, Ormond Beach, and Holly Hill.
They just issued a doubleheader.
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Wow. Triple header. A triple header. Triple header.
Until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Strong thunderstorms were located
Triple
along
header.
the line
Look at there might be a
extending from 10
quadruple
nautical
header.
miles east of Butler Beach to near Palm Coast, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 50 knots.
Sword. Radar indicated.
Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Wow. Triple header.
George's Reef and Palm Coast. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught
Triple
offshore,
header.
immediately
A
secure
triple
for heavy
header.
weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG approved type
Why
life
was there
jackets
a
and
triple header
non-essential
on the
crew are
weather
below
radio?
decks.
That is very weird.
Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving
Wow.
equipment, including batteries on
There might be a
handheld radios for
Here we
readiness.
go.
Frequent lightning is occurring with these
Oh
storms.
my gosh.
Keep caught
That
on the open
was
water
a
side below
10.
deck if possible.
Triple
Keep away
header.
from ungrounded
That
metal
was a
objects.
triple header. Go.
Serving Daytona Beach and vicinity. This is NOAA.